Right. Bring your hands up, legs open, flex, thumb out. Arms out. Arms up. And back down. Arms out. Arms up. One more set down. Out. Up. Only pelvic floor, keep your torso very straight. Tuck in and lift up. So work this area as much as you can. Don't move the upper body. Just isolate the hip, the pelvis. Arms out. Arms up. Breathe in. Exhale. Māuruuru. Push forward and back. Remember, you're pushing forward and back. Don't move your torso. Don't let your torso rotate with you, okay? Just hit. Arms out. Arms up. Arms down. Arms out. Arms up. Breathe in. To mommy. Starting on left side. 8 counts. Wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shift. Arms out, shift. Make sure you're breathing as deep and slowly as you can. Shift. Arms up, shift. Keep your arms by your ears, by the way, okay? Not just forward. Keep them by your ears so that your back is very, very straight. Shift. Okay, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're doing full rotation. And this is not a faraku shift. This is a tumami. It needs to be wide. Let's move into opes. So go on this side. We're gonna do different hands. So first just up and down. Go. Up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's shift to the other side. 5, 6, 7, go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, para po 8 and 8 to each side. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shift. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, shift. 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 Arms out, shift. 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 Arms out, shift. 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 2 more shift. 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 A big breath. Tahiti, side to side. All right, that's good. Breathe in again. Exhale.